13 things Honda car owners should never do to make your vehicle last more than 300,000 miles. Tips and trick by Car Help Out local certified mobile mechanic service near me. Think about this. There are Honda owners out there whose cars have crossed 300,000 miles, still running smooth and still looking sharp. It sounds almost unbelievable, like one of those rare stories you stumble across online. But here's the kicker. It's not magic. It's not luck. It's all about what these owners do differently from the rest of us. Their secrets aren't buried in some mysterious maintenance manual. They're habits, choices, routines that anyone can follow. You might have heard tales of the legendary Honda Accord or the Honda Civic cruising past the 300,000-mile mark without breaking a sweat. Maybe you've seen a photo online of a Honda Odometer reading 400,000 or even 500,000 miles. These stories aren't just for car geeks to drool over. They're blueprints, real-world evidence that legendary reliability is within reach for any Honda owner. There's just one catch. You have to avoid the 13 silent killers that end most Honda journeys long before their time. Imagine this, your Honda still purring at 300,000 miles, seats comfortable, air conditioning, cool, every button working. The paint still gleams in the sunlight. It's not just possible, it's proven. Or if you know what to avoid. And that's what we're unlocking today. So buckle up, because you're about to discover the habits that separate those legendary high-mileage Hondas from the ones that end up rusting away in scrapyards. Here's the harsh truth. Most Honda owners never make it anywhere close to 300,000 miles. In fact, many cars sputter out before they ever hit 150,000. The car itself isn't the problem. Honda engineers build these vehicles to go the distance. The real issue is with the small, everyday habits that chip away at your car's health without you even noticing. It's not about catastrophic engine failure or dramatic accidents. It's the little things, repeated over months and years, that quietly sabotage your Honda's potential. Let's break it down. Maybe you've skipped an oil change or ignored a warning light thinking it's no big deal, or you've put off tire rotations, used cheaper gas, or neglected those funny noises from under the hood. These might seem harmless in the moment, but over time, they're like termites in the foundation of your car. The damage piles up, often out of sight, until suddenly your reliable Honda isn't so reliable anymore. Most drivers don't realize how much control they have over the lifespan of their car. The difference between a Honda that dies at 120,000 miles and one that powers past 300,000 isn't luck. It's discipline. It's about knowing what to do, and more importantly, what never to do. That's where these 13 destructive habits come in, each one a silent killer that can shave years and thousands of miles off your Honda's life. So, what's the real secret to making your Honda last longer than you ever thought possible? It all starts with awareness. If you want your car to stick around for the long haul, you need to know what not to do, just as much as what you should do. Think of your Honda like a marathon runner. It needs the right care, smart decisions, and a steady pace, not shortcuts or neglect. That's how you build a car that lasts generations. Here's the good news. Avoiding these 13 bad habits isn't rocket science. You don't need to be a mechanic or spend a fortune on fancy upgrades. All you need is the right mindset, some expert tips, and a little bit of consistency. Every Honda, no matter the model or year, has the potential for greatness, but only if you treat it right. And that's exactly what we're about to show you. In this video, we're breaking down the 13 biggest mistakes that hold Hondas back from greatness. For each one, I'll explain why it matters, what damage it causes, and how you can avoid it starting today. By the end, you'll have the blueprint you need to keep your Honda running strong for years to come. Ready to join the ranks of high-mileage Honda legends? Let's dive in. All right, let's start with the absolute cardinal sin of car ownership, skipping regular oil changes. This is mistake number 1, and it's arguably the most destructive habit you can have. Think of your Honda's engine oil as its lifeblood. It lubricates moving parts, cleans away harmful deposits, helps regulate engine temperature. Without fresh, clean oil, your engine is essentially grinding itself to death. Every piston, bearing, gear is subjected to immense friction and heat, which spells disaster in the long run. Ignoring your oil change schedule is like asking a marathon runner to compete without ever drinking water. It's a recipe for catastrophic failure. Many owners think they can stretch the interval by a few hundred miles, or even a few thousand miles. They see the sticker on the windshield as more of a suggestion than a hard deadline. But here's what's happening inside your engine when you do that. The oil starts to break down chemically. It loses its viscosity, meaning it becomes thin and less effective at creating that crucial protective film between metal components. At the same time, it becomes saturated with contaminants like dirt, metal shavings, combustion byproducts, turning into a thick, abrasive sludge. This sludge clogs oil passages, starving vital parts of lubrication, and leading to accelerated wear and tear. The solution is simple, yet so many people fail to follow it. Change your oil on time every time. Your Honda's maintenance minder system is incredibly smart. It calculates the ideal oil change interval based on your specific driving habits. So when that little wrench icon appears, it's not just a friendly reminder. It's a critical warning. If your Honda is older and doesn't have this system, a good rule of thumb is every 5,000, 7,500 miles, or at least once a year, using the exact type of oil recommended in your owner's manual. This single, inexpensive habit can add tens of thousands of miles to your engine's life, making it the best investment you can ever make in your car's longevity. This isn't about spending more money. It's about spending smart money. An oil change is one of the cheapest maintenance procedures you can perform, typically costing less than a full tank of gas. Compare that to the cost of repairing or replacing an engine that is seized up due to oil starvation, a repair that can easily run into thousands of dollars and often costs more than the car is even worth. By consistently changing your oil, you are actively preventing the single biggest cause of premature engine failure. It's the foundation of any high-mileage Honda's success story, and it's a habit that is completely within your control. Next up is the dreaded check engine light. For many drivers, seeing that little amber engine symbol light up on the dashboard is a moment of pure anxiety. The immediate reaction is often denial. The car feels fine. It's probably just a faulty sensor. You try to forget about it. This is habit number 2. Ignoring this warning is like ignoring a fire alarm because you don't see smoke yet. That light is your Honda's way of telling you the onboard computer has detected a problem. It could be something minor, or the first sign of a major issue that needs attention. The check engine light can be triggered by a huge range of problems: loose gas cap, failing catalytic converter, misfiring engine. A loose gas cap can disrupt fuel pressure, an easy fix. If it's a faulty oxygen sensor, your engine might be running too rich or too lean. That tanks fuel economy and can damage expensive parts like the catalytic converter, which can cost over $1,000 to replace. Ignoring the light turns a small problem into a cascading failure. So what should you do when it comes on? Don't panic, but don't ignore it. First step, check your gas cap. Make sure it's tightened until it clicks. If it stays on after a few drives, get the diagnostic trouble codes read. Most auto parts stores will do this for free or buy an inexpensive OBD2 scanner online. The scanner gives you a specific code like P0420, which you can look up to find the root cause. Knowing the code lets you make an informed decision instead of hoping the problem goes away. Remember, the check engine light is a diagnostic tool, not an enemy. It's there to protect your investment. Prompt fixes prevent small issues from becoming wallet-draining repairs. An oxygen sensor fix might cost a couple $100, but it can save you from a 4-figure catalytic converter bill. Treat that light as an urgent call to action. Proactive care, not reactive panic. Let's move on to something that directly connects your Honda to the road your tires. Habit number 3 is neglecting tire care, and it's a mistake that compromises your safety, wastes fuel, and puts unnecessary strain on your entire vehicle. Many owners rarely think about their tires until one goes flat. But proper tire maintenance involves much more than just dealing with punctures. It's about regularly checking your tire pressure, ensuring proper alignment, and rotating them on schedule. These simple tasks are crucial for extending the life of your tires and the components connected to them. First, let's talk about tire pressure. Driving on underinflated tires is incredibly common and incredibly damaging. When a tire is low on air, its sidewalls flex excessively, generating a massive amount of heat. This heat can lead to a sudden and catastrophic blowout, which is extremely dangerous at high speeds. Beyond the safety risk, underinflated tires increase rolling resistance, forcing your engine to work harder and burning more fuel. They also wear out unevenly and prematurely, forcing you to buy new tires far sooner than you should have to. You should check your tire pressure at least once a month using a reliable gauge and inflate them to the pressure listed on the sticker inside your driver's door jamb, not the number on the tire itself. Next up is wheel alignment. Potholes, curbs, and even normal driving can slowly knock your wheels out of alignment. When your alignment is off, your tires don't point perfectly straight. This causes the car to pull to one side and, more importantly, creates rapid and uneven tire wear. You might see the inside edge of a tire wearing down to the belts or the outside edge wearing down while the rest of the tread looks fine. This not only ruins a perfectly good set of tires, but also puts stress on your suspension and steering components. Getting your alignment checked once a year, or whenever you notice pulling or uneven wear, is a smart move that saves you a lot of money in the long run. Finally, there's tire rotation. Your front tires typically wear faster than your rear tires, especially on a front-wheel drive car like most Hondas. Rotating them every 5,000 to 7,500 miles, often at the same time as your oil change, ensures that all 4 tires wear down evenly. This simple procedure dramatically extends the life of your tire set, allowing you to get the full value out of them. Neglecting your tires is a false economy. The money you think you're saving by skipping these checks comes back to bite you in the form of poor fuel mileage, expensive replacement tires, and compromised safety. If you're struggling to come up with cash for an emergency auto repair, you're not alone. That's why Auto Car Repair Loans offer a convenient way to gain quick access to the money you need when an emergency pops up. With loans up to $2,500 to $5,000. Visit carhelpout.com/repair loan to get started today. Don't forget, if you ever need to sell your house fast and as-is condition anywhere in the U.S., either to stop foreclosure, avoid county tax auction, or unwanted house, go to Boracina.com/car helpout and get a relief under house burden. Don't forget, if your local small business or good service website needs more traffic exposure from Google, Yahoo, Bing, and other search engines, go to carhelpout.com/SEO. They can help you when it comes to local SEO and online digital marketing service consulting. Smart Honda owners know their tires are the foundation of a safe and efficient ride. Our fourth destructive habit is being careless at the gas pump. It's easy to think that all gasoline is the same, so you might be tempted to always hunt for the cheapest price or assume that putting premium fuel in your standard Honda is a good thing. But using the wrong fuel, low quality, the wrong octane rating, or the wrong type altogether can cause serious long-term damage to your engine. Your Honda's engine is a finely tuned machine designed to run optimally on a specific type of fuel, and deviating from that can have expensive consequences. Let's start with octane. Your owner's manual will clearly state the recommended octane rating for your car, which for most Hondas is 87, or regular. Using a lower octane fuel than recommended can cause engine knocking or pre-ignition, where the fuel ignites before it's supposed to. Modern engines have knock sensors that can adjust timing to prevent damage, but this forces the engine to operate less efficiently and can still cause long-term wear. Conversely, putting higher octane premium fuel in an engine designed for regular won't give you more power or better mileage. It just wastes your money, as the engine can't take advantage of the slower burning fuel. Stick to what the manual says. Beyond octane, the quality of the gasoline matters. While all gasoline sold in the United States has to meet certain minimum standards, some brands include a more robust package of detergent additives in their fuel. These detergents are crucial for keeping your fuel system clean. They prevent carbon deposits from building up on critical components like fuel injectors, intake valves, and combustion chambers. Over time, cheap gasoline with minimal detergents can lead to clogged injectors, reduced engine performance, poor fuel economy, and higher emissions. Sticking to top-tier certified gasoline brands ensures you're getting a high-quality fuel that actively works to keep your engine clean. Finally, the most catastrophic mistake is putting the wrong type of fuel in the tank, like putting diesel in a gasoline car or E85 in a car not designed for it. This is a rare but devastating error. Diesel will not combust properly in a gasoline engine and will quickly clog the entire fuel system, requiring a complete and costly flush of the tank, lines, and injectors. Similarly, E85 is highly corrosive to the fuel system components in non-flex fuel vehicles. Always double-check the pump handle before you start fueling. Being mindful at the pump is a simple habit that protects the heart of your Honda from silent, preventable damage. CarHelpo.com is the best way to get a mobile mechanic auto car repair service shop on wheels to come to you. Whether you're stuck at home or on the side of the road, our mobile mechanics are ready to assist you. We bring the repair shop to your location to save you time and hassle. We also provide emergency vehicle roadside assistance, such as car battery jump start, flat tire road service, running out of gas service if your vehicle stops or has a problem on the side of the road or any business parking lot. We understand that car troubles can be stressful, so we aim to provide quick and efficient solutions to get you back on the road as soon as possible. Additionally, we offer pre-purchase used car buying inspection checkup services review. Whether you're buying from local dealership or private car owner seller, either from Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, automotive auction, or anywhere else, we can help you with PPI inspection. We can come to you at any location, whether it's your home driveway, your office parking lot, or even if you're stranded on the roadside.
CarHelpout.com. It's the convenience.